Hey guys, it's Miss Sarah, and I'm here with my little boy Judah, and he is going to help show you guys another wacky science experiment that you can do at home. So all we have here is a glass of water, and Judah is going to pour, actually squirt, some shaving cream in the top of this jar. Do it. You're gonna put a lot. Just go for it. There you go. All around. Fill that whole top part.
Like this?
Sure. Okay, so you also need food coloring, which we have several different colors of food coloring. And he is just going to drop a couple of drops of food coloring in the top of his food coloring. And you can go get closer to it, Judah, if you want to. There you go. There you go. Do a couple more all around. I'm gonna do the yellow to help you.
Whoa.
Okay. Put some blue in there if you want to. So what's gonna eventually happen is the shaving cream kind of represents like a cloud, and the food coloring represents like rain. And that's how weather is made, is when all those water droplets up in the air condense and they form bigger droplets. And eventually the cloud gets so heavy that the rain has to fall. And that's what Judah is showing you right here. But you can, that's probably good, Judah. You can see how rain is formed by the droplets condensing in the shaving cream, and they'll eventually all start to fall down here, and you'll have what's called weather in a jar.
The green is falling right here.
The green fell there.
And the blue is eventually gonna fall.
It's almost kind of like fireworks a little bit to me.
Just so they can see the red. So cool.
There goes the blue.
Ooh.
So again, a jar of water, shaving cream in the top, and then food coloring to drop in around your cloud. And then you'll start to see it condense, and then it will start to look like really colorful rain.
Come on, drop.
The red on the left side.
Cleanup is easy. You take it to the sink, you pour it in there, and you rinse out your jar, and you're ready to go for something else. All right? See ya.